I'm really proud of this space that we've developed here. It means a lot to me as training is very close to my heart.
I know what they feel when they come here, how daunting it is to start a new company of this size.
In the training centre right now we have Sam and Sergio, who started the same day as well. The benefit it gives to the people is it gives them necessary skills to work in a manufacturing environment.
The training centre candidates will run through a generalised programme that we've got at the moment, our induction programme. We'll work through that to try and give them the check-offs that they need.
We found that we were having issues in slowing the lines or delaying bits and pieces because of training, so we took it upon ourselves to develop this facility.
So when laying out the training centre, the thoughts behind it was to try and replicate what we're going to see on the shop floor.
They're there to help develop the skills of individuals so that they can be picked up and put down on the line and everything will be exactly the same.
The easiest way to learn is to make people relax. When they're relaxed, they learn much quicker. It's a clean, tidy work area, representing everything that Niftylift would want to see on the workshop floor.
Prior to the training centre, we'd be looking for the relevant skills to be able to go straight onto the line, whereas now we've developed this training centre where we can take on people with that slightly lesser skills but who have the right mindset and mentality to be able to achieve.
So if you want to come and work for Niftylift, all we need is your willingness to learn.